Using BestPlaces public transportation is a convenient and affordable way to get around the city. To start, visit the BestPlaces website or mobile app to plan your trip. Enter your starting and ending points, and the system will provide you with the best route options. First, familiarize yourself with the different types of public transportation available, such as buses and trains. Each mode of transportation has its own schedule and route, so it is essential to plan ahead. You can use the Trip Planner tool to find the most efficient route, including any necessary transfers. Next, learn about the different payment options. You can pay with cash, a prepaid card, or a mobile payment method. Some cities also offer a reloadable transit card that can be used on multiple modes of transportation. It is a good idea to purchase a transit card or preload your mobile payment method before your trip, to avoid any delays. When using public transportation, arrive at the stop or station early to check the schedule and plan for any unexpected delays. Make sure to follow the signs and announcements to ensure you are getting on the correct bus or train. If you are unsure, ask a transit employee for assistance. To make the most of your trip, consider downloading the BestPlaces mobile app, which provides real-time updates and schedules. You can also set reminders and alerts to notify you when your stop is approaching. Additionally, take advantage of the app's trip planning features to find the most efficient route and avoid traffic congestion. Finally, be mindful of your surroundings and follow basic safety precautions when using public transportation. Keep an eye on your belongings, avoid distractions, and be respectful of other passengers. By following these steps and tips, you can navigate the BestPlaces public transportation system with ease and confidence.